Ever feel like you're stuck in investment slow motion? Let's face it, the world of finance can move at the pace of a sloth on tranquilizers. You finally decide to take control of your future, open a Betterment account, get that money moving, and, well, then what? How long does it take for that hard-earned cash to actually start working for you? Fear not, fellow investor in the making. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Betterment transfer times. We'll break down exactly how long it takes to get your money where it needs to be, so you can spend less time waiting and more time watching your investments grow. Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand there are two main types of transfers happening within your Betterment account: deposits and withdrawals. Deposits are getting money into your Betterment account, while withdrawals are moving it out. Simple, right? Great. Let's tackle deposits first. Depositing to Betterment, from slow and steady to Speedy Gonzalez? There are two ways to get money into your Betterment account. Transferring from another bank account, this is the most common method. Here, things can get a little tricky because the transfer speed depends on who initiates the move. If you initiate the transfer from within your Betterment account, pulling funds from your connected bank account, then buckle up for a wait of 4 to 5 business days. Not exactly instant gratification, but that's the standard processing time for transfers using the ACH, Automated Clearing House, network. Initiating the transfer from your other bank's side, this can actually be a bit quicker, with funds typically landing in your Betterment account within 1 to 2 business days. But hey, every day counts when you're looking to invest. Hot tip: direct deposit is your best friend here. Setting up a direct deposit from your employer can have your paycheck hitting your Betterment checking account on the same day. Now that's what we call efficiency. All right, how about those withdrawals? Now, let's talk about getting your money out. Withdrawals from Betterment typically take 1 to 2 business days to reach your connected bank account. Again, this is thanks to the trusty ACH network. But there's a wrinkle in this smooth fabric: recently deposited funds. If you just deposited some cash into your Betterment account and then decide, nah, I actually need that for pizza, hold your horses. Withdrawing a recently deposited amount can take up to 6 business days. Why the wait? Banks like to make sure the initial deposit has fully cleared before sending it back out. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to pizza. Who wants cold pizza anyway? But wait, there's more. The magic of same-day transfers. Now, here's where things get exciting. Betterment offers a little slice of heaven called same-day transfers. This nifty feature allows you to move money between your checking account and cash reserve account on the same business day, up to a daily limit. That's right, no more waiting days to access your cash. There are a few things to keep in mind with same-day transfers. There's a minimum transfer amount of $10. There's also a daily limit on how much you can move using same-day transfers. This limit can change, so check with Betterment to see what the current amount is. Transfers exceeding the daily limit or going to external accounts will fall back on the standard ACH processing time, 1 to 3 business days. So, how long does a Betterment transfer really take? The answer, like most things in finance, depends. Here's a quick recap. Deposits. Initiating from Betterment, 4 to 5 business days. Initiating from your other bank, 1 to 2 business days. Direct deposit, same day. Withdrawals, 1 to 2 business days, with longer wait times for recently deposited funds. Same-day transfers, moves money between checking and cash reserve on the same business day, up to a daily limit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.